In this video, I will show you how you can convert your Instagram account into business account without the Facebook page. And if you have a Facebook page, you can connect with that. And at the end of the tutorial, I will show you how to revert back to the personal account from business account. So first, how to convert the personal account into business Instagram account. You need to open the Instagram app, and then you need to go to the bottom right hand side icon through which you will be able to access your profile. And in your profile page, you need to go to the top right hand side, three horizontal lines, which will give you the access to the settings, which are now on the bottom center. Click that, and from here you need to click the account, and in the account you need to come down at the bottom where you can see that switch to business account is prominently visible. Click that, and it will show you that the benefits of having a business account, that what all feature would be available with you once you will convert from account to business account. Click continue, continue, then continue, and then here you need to choose the category. There are different categories. I will just click the local business and click next. Now it is asking you whether you want to change your business email address or not. If you don't want to change it, just click the next. Now here it will ask you, in case you have a business Facebook page, you can connect that by choosing the choose page. However, if you do not have that, just click do not connect to Facebook, and that's about it. This is how you have converted your personal account into business account. Now what all feature you will have within the business account. Now you can see there is a promotion tab over here, which was previously not available with us, which means that you can promote your post in case you are willing to pay to the Instagram, or in case you want to add your product through the business through your Instagram account. So one, this promotion is available. Secondly, once you will click these three horizontal dots, you will see the insights on the top right hand side. You will have the complete details on how your posts are performing. So you can analyze your each post, and then accordingly you can adjust the posts to suit your business requirements. So these two features, and then this email would be visible. The people can directly press the email, and they can contact you through that. And in case you have connected your Facebook page with that, then you will have a call button over here, and people can directly call you from that. Now the last part of this tutorial, that how you have to revert back from business account to personal account in case you want to go back again. You need to access your profile by clicking the bottom right icon. Click the three horizontal lines on the top, go to the settings, and in the settings go to the account. And now on the bottom side of this account page, instead of switch to business account, it is written switch back to personal account. Just click that and click switch back. So that's how you can convert your Instagram personal account to business account, and vice versa. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe.